everyone, welcome back to another video. And today I'm doing a little video here on the latest project vehicle. Got here a 2004 GMC Yukon XL Denali. It's been sitting for a couple years, but for the most part, pretty clean. It's got the leather on the inside. I'll have to open it up for you in a second here. Go around the outside first, just give y'all a little rundown. Now it does have some rust, but I'm gonna get to that later. Now I was looking in here and it does still have the factory air ride. Yeah, the storm's coming pretty quick. Yeah, she's definitely filthy, but got a lot of potential. Still has the stock exhaust on there, along with the original exhaust tip. Yeah, overall this is a pretty clean truck. Like I said, it's got some rust here and there, but that's because it was from up north. Originally, I believe it was from Virginia. See here, it's pretty filthy, but I think it's gonna clean up pretty nicely. You know, growing up, this generation of Chevys, what I'm used to, you know, GMT 800. And this is a 2004. I would have been 5 when this came out. So this is the kind of truck I grew up in. It's reliable, easy to work on. It's got the 6.0 on it, the LQ4. Yeah, I'm excited. I figure this will be a little something I can work on and get all cleaned up, fixed up, and use this as a new daily till I get the C10 fixed. Yeah, let me show you all on the inside real quick here before the storm gets any worse. Now it does have the original, you know, key and everything to it here, along with the key fob. I'm going to show you how clean this door panel is. It's got the wood grain on there, a little dusty, but and as you can see here, adjustable pedals, your heated seats on the back or the bottom and back. And then here's the 2 presets for the chair, as far as, you know, where it's gonna sit at. And then this right here, you push this right here when you're ready to, you know, get out the truck. It automatically just slides the seat all the way back for you, so you know it's a little easier to get out. Now as you can see here, it is missing one of the foot rails, but as you'll see in here, it's right there. And as I said, I love the wood grain on this thing. That's nice. And it does have, as you can see, the Bose system with the original radio. Of course, you know, climate controls, storage. It also has a DVD player in the back here as well. Now, I haven't gone through and cleaned anything out yet. I wanted y'all to see this, how I got it. Like, the only thing I've cleaned up on this was just the door panel, just to, you know, see how it would turn out. But everything else was pretty much how it got here. So I still need to go out and clean everything out. You can see all this random stuff I still got to, you know, go through here and clean everything out. But like I said, I wanted y'all to see it kind of like how I did when I first saw it. So, but yeah, I'm pretty excited about this. Now, as far as the strap goes back here, I'm not sure what that's for. I'm thinking this to hold this down. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get this all cleaned up. And once I get everything cleaned up, I'll go ahead and get back to y'all and show you how it looks, and might end up doing a part 2 on this video. This might just be part 1. That way y'all can kind of see before and after. But yeah, that's that. There's a couple of, you know, trim pieces and stuff I gotta get. I'll show you under the hood real quick here. A little dusty. And the other cover that goes right there's in the back. I still got to go through and clean all this up in here. So far I did find one broken ground strap. Let's see, where is it at? Oh yeah, there it is. It goes to the hood. But yeah guys, I think this is going to clean up pretty nicely. Just make sure to comment down below what you think, and if you're excited to see more content on it, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. Thanks for watching.